Alright, we're back. Just cleaning these off with the scrub pad here. Just rubbing them on the pad. Clean the muck off them a little bit. It's able to get to where you can read the numbers on them. So this one here is a 31. This one here, I think I saw 72 on it someplace. Right there. And I clean off that. These are all cleaned up. I got my drill bits to go ahead and run some drill bits through them and clean them up some more. Get over here, you can see better. Okay, so first thing you do is take the small hole. These little holes right here we got to clean up a little bit. These little dinky drills for that. There's a real small drills here. So figure it out. What are you looking at over there? It's bigger than that. A little bigger too. Couple sizes up. Still loose on that one. Same with that. To the big one here, all the way on the end. Check our holes. We're still bigger than that. And this one here, we're getting close to what this one is. Pretty big. That's a way big size. Easy to low speed yet. I don't go above these small ones down here, this first row. Now we're going to the second row. Second one up. This thing's been modified. Yeah, we finally got one that doesn't go through. Nope. It's trying to. Don't push it through though. Drop down the next one. There we go. Sort it back a couple times. If you don't want to do any cut at all, you come by with a shank and just use the shank and just rub on it. Okay, this is supposed to be a 31. I'm going to pull out a 31 and see if that's true. Brand new, not opened yet. Electric bus, you don't hear them. Hear the tires go by. Okay, so this is a brand new 31. Yep, feels about the same size. Okay, so that is a 31, which is a little on the big side, I would think. Otherwise, it's running so rich. Come on, Jet, get out of my way. I'm going to drop down to 29.5 Jet. You can see the bike was running pretty rich, so I'm going to drop down on jetting. We put 29.5 in it, see how it runs. We'll keep this in case we go back up. We'll have it. Okay, now get back these holes over here. Let's see what size these things are. Grab the big one here. It's not the big one. Drop down a couple sizes at a time. It's trying to go through, but not quite there. One more size. These drill bits are usually like 1 thou at a time. You get these small ones here. Sometimes you go 2 thou, but most times it's like 1 thou difference on all these. It's trying to go in. So let's take the shank, because I don't really want to open up the hole any, but I don't want to clean any grit that's in it. So there it goes. It's tight. Appears to be that's the size though. So it looks like they drilled a hole up here after they did these, so there's a burr in there a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put the drill bit in here and use the drill. Drill doesn't want to go in though. So give me a little drill chuck. Get a little mini hand drill chuck here. I can turn it by hand here. Clean out the burr a little bit. So the front part of the hole is one size and it gets tight in the hole like it's tapered. That one went right in, no problem. I don't know if that's filled it full of crap or what, so we just put this all the way through. So they all seem to be in there good. So all 5 of those holes, I just cleaned them up with that. A couple a little tight going in the back of the hole, so at least now they're full size. Okay, so we got that handle. Now the inside of this tier makes a difference in how it runs too, so it wouldn't hurt to drill, clean that out with a big drill. It's too big. Trying, but not it. Dropping down a drill at a time until it goes in. Wanting to go, but not going. Damn. Good, I would have done a small one. Small one didn't fit either. I'm missing a couple sizes, so I can go down to this one. That's got a lot of muck in it. Okay, you can see the muck inside of this one. See all that green junk in there? That's our problem. Yeah, let's see. Open the vise here. I just ran it through, but it's still full of crap. See all the green junk right there? Some gooey stuff here. It's like cutting mud on the damn thing. Okay, this is not the right drill. I need to get the right drill. Okay, that would made it run really, really bad in the mid-range because it was plugged up. That thing was 50% plugged up. So that's not good. Okay, we're going to have to go to a different drills because I need a drill that's different. I need a real drill, so let's go over here. go to our complete drill kit, which is over here. Bring out the good stuff. None of those cheap regular tools, we gotta get the good ones out. Like my shelf back there, it's all my stuff laying on top of it. Bring these out very often, they're hard to get to. So these are my 10 titanium coated drills. They're all gold color. So these are my fancy ones. Okay, I know what size we were at, so I'll just go find one here. It's definitely cutting metal, so that ain't the right one. So yeah, the actual tip hole is bigger than what goes through. See how it's leaving a mark on the brass on the inside there? So that's not quite the right one. It's like it's funnel shaped or something. You can see how it's cutting the green fungi off. Keep going bigger. Stepping it up inside each time I go down. There we go, that's the actual size of the first hole. See, now the whole tip's clean. You can see it's all tapered shape in there. Okay, I'm going to drop down and find out what size it is all the way through. Definitely this one goes here. Hear how tight it is. Clean that out. Go up another size. Just a little powder coming out. I think this is the size it actually is, but move it back and forth a few times, spin it a little bit. Get all that crap worked off. Now I don't know what takes this fungi stuff off of here because it's not carbon, it's not goo, it's just corrosion deposits. Try going up one more size. I don't think it'll go, but we'll try it. No, I just locked up in the hole. Yeah, that's not it. That is not going to go. Looks like it's 149 thousandths. Running the shank through now to make sure burnishes any high spots off. All right, it's flowing fuel now. So now when you look down it, goes all the way through. Blows through pretty good too. All right, fun, fun, fun. And the main jet hole. Let's see, the main jet was 72. Where's 72 out? Ooh, My finger. Okay, I'm change the kit. Okay. Roll the stuff back where it goes. Mixed up a little though. Okay. Back over to the bike. FedEx truck. Something coming in. Alright, we'll be back.